Okay guys, on August 14, 2023. Okay, now this is my plant of copper ladyfingers, or you can also call it as mammillaria elongata, copper king. So this is my 1 year old cactus, and now you can see that we have a lot of offshoots of this plant, which are actually the pairs. Okay, so we can take one offshoot, okay, like this. So cactus stem is usually having a lot of like water content in it, so it is usually thick. Okay, so we have taken first cutting, and now we will try to take our second one, and okay, now gently take it out. Okay, so okay, usually the cutting results are with 100% success rate. Okay, majority of the time the success rate is okay more than up to 100%. Okay, now we have taken two of our mature cuttings, and now we will put them in shade so that they will heal out, because if we just put these directly in the soil, they can cause certain rot. Okay, now I am focusing cam so you can see them properly. Now these are our two cuttings. Okay, and this is first, this is second. It also has grown some roots. Okay, but still we will put it in the media. So let these dry for several days, and then we will put these in media. Okay, on September 7, 2023. Now after multiple days has passed, and we have taken our media. And one more thing, that you are not going to see any sort of change in my voice. This is due to the fact that I am just dubbing the voice. Okay, the videos are made on the respective dates. So these two, okay, now you can see that after a lot of days has been passed, we can see that they have grown some roots. Okay, some sort of aerial roots, we can say. Now you can see it. Now this is our second, and it also has grown some root. Okay, maybe yeah, it has shown some progress, because the succulents and cacti used to grow aerial roots very easily. They always have the tendency to absorb the aerial moisture, because they are the desert plants, so they know how to cope with the like scarcity of water. Now our media consists of like 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil. We have added the sand so that our media will not going to retain the water, and now you can see that how good drainage it has. When we used to pour the water, it just come out from the bottom. Okay, and you also need to do some holes underneath the pot so that all the extra water will leave the media. Now we will put them out like this. Now you can see these properly. These are our two cuttings of ladyfinger or copper ladyfinger cactus, or mammillaria elongata copper king. So now we will put these in shade. Okay, on November 3, 2023. And now you can see that after a lot of days has been passed, and now this is our result. Now one cactus has shown a lot of progress, the other one do not. Why it is so? Because that for about like 2 to 3 weeks this cutting used to be okay, used to fall on the ground, and I did not notice it out. Okay, So that's why it's not it don't have any sort of good rooting structure or root ball, but still it has some roots. Okay, obviously for a small cutting like this, still it is a good progress that we have so much roots. Okay, now you can see it properly. Now we will go for our second cutting, and for the second cutting you can see that there is a little bit progress on the shooting side as well, and also on the root side. Now it has a very good root ball, you can see that. Okay, you can see that it is a very good. Okay, we have a very good root ball. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept and how you can grow the copper a ladyfinger cactus with the help of stem cutting. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.